everyone, welcome to Red Cube Broadcast. I'd like to unbox today the new Altec speakers. These are the standalone speakers with no power cable required, preferably used with iPod and iPhone as standalone speakers, and you could carry it wherever you go. It comes with a nice case, as you would see on the box, along with a cable, which is your sound input cable, and a string just to carry your speaker around. So let's see what we have got inside. Very excited. Well, as usual, the packing's pretty good. Okay. So at the first, as you see, it's a very nice looking speaker with the cable at the back, which I think you could unplug it and then plug it in your audio system. Let's see what else we have in the box. Right, okay. We've got the pouch to carry this. Something's in that pouch, we'll see it soon. And got the usual warranty cards and some user manual. I don't know why we require a user manual for this, but hey, you know what? They've given it, we'll see it. And it gives you the steps on how to use it. Basically, because it doesn't have a power cable with it, it runs on batteries. I think it comes along with 3 batteries with it. So let's have a look. Yep, comes with 3 AAA batteries in it. Comes with an additional power head for the audio input. It comes with a hook-on clip which you could attach, and the string to carry it. So I reckon it just gets into the speaker, gets into the pouch, and you can tuck it away and carry it with you. It's very nice, very compact to use and carry. Now we'll try to put in the speakers. So well, take battery. That's how it is from inside. And I just want to take this off. And put it back. Okay. It's a bit hard to put it back because probably, yeah. Okay. So that's the way you put it. It's easy, not very hard, sorry. And the next thing we want to do is, here's the power button, switch on and off. We want to know is the sound quality of this, right? So I'm going to connect it to my Mac and see what the sound quality is like. So bring in my Mac, put my Mac here. And power it up. And I'm just trying to look for a song from my list which I could play. say okay.
Good evening, here is the news.
Pretty good bus. And just to show you the actual Mac speakers, so there's a lot of difference in it. So I would say it's 8 out of 10. Sure to consider. It's $49 Australian, and it's also sold in most of the Apple stores